What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
I just...
Sam's just chilling on the top of the hay bale. Wow! Happy Sunday. I am filming another separate vlog today. So I filmed yesterday, which I will have uploaded earlier on this week, so I hope you enjoyed that. Me and Sam are going to a really cute farm shop. We've never been there before, but Sam found it this morning and said it looked really nice, and I've had a little look online and it looks really nice. So basically this farm shop specializes in eggs. I think it's called like the Yolk Farm Shop, and they have like some of the best eggs in the country, it says. But then I do feel like every company says that, but I actually do think this place genuinely does have the best eggs. So we will put that to the test. And they have like a really nice cafe, and a lot of their meals are obviously egg based. I've had a sneak peek. I haven't looked at it too much because I don't want to ruin the excitement, but I've had a little look at the menu. There's some really nice hot chocolates, like deluxe hot chocolates, that I think Sam is going to absolutely love. They have loads of like really nice brunch breakfast meals that are like mostly like egg based. So I don't know what I'm gonna go for, but I do honestly just love going to a farm shop, especially on a Sunday. Just a nice cozy homely Sunday, going to a nice farm shop, coming home, getting cozy. I probably included a clip this morning of the weather outside. It was so misty this morning and it felt quite autumnal, not gonna lie. Cannot wait to go and take you there, and it feels even better as well because I've got tomorrow off work as well because it's bank holiday weekend. So it's quite nice, like it feels kind of like a Saturday today, but it's actually Sunday. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you both?
We're upset because there's a fly flying around.
Oh no.
And he's trying to eat it, but it's a bit too fast.
Oh no. He's not very good at catching flies. Yeah, he gets very upset when there's flies.
I do, it keeps buzzing around my head as well.
Got my YouTube video set to upload there, so that'll be going up tonight, but you'll have already seen that. If you haven't already, I will link it in the description. We had a very autumnal day yesterday, didn't we?
We did have a very autumnal day. We're going to try and match it today, aren't we?
Well,
is it autumnal? It's
I
just
guess
a nice
so.
day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look nice, your top's nice.
I've chosen some nice farmy autumnal colour.
We are heading out. What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
I just swore at the camera right as you pressed record. I don't know if you captured it or not.
What do you mean you swore? You put your fingers up?
Yes.
I'll have to watch back and see if I caught that. It's a beautiful day. Very beautiful day, look. Bright blue sky. Oh, Sam's planted this, look. So it should grow like right up the fence. Ready?
Ready. Right.
We're gonna have to eat eggs, you know. We can't get like
obviously
bacon sandwich when this place.
Do they have a bacon sandwich? They'll have bacon and egg sandwich.
No, you do better stuff than that. We're here, Yolk Kitchen it's called, Minskip Farm Shop.
Minskip Farm Shop.
It looks lovely. Cute little willow tree, look. Oh, it looks lovely. Look how cute it is.
Nice.
It is quite busy, so I will try and film what I can. You can go and see all of the animals as well. Here, Sam's eyeing up the desserts over there.
Crisp brownie and a crunchy brownie.
Brunch and lunch, so this is the menu.
We've actually come to the jungles.
Have you seen this? This is what I want to show you. Gourmet hot chocolate and milkshakes.
Kinder Bueno, it's got Nutella and Kinder Bueno.
This one, Kinder Bueno Nutella.
We've actually...
Nutella chocolate with Kinder Bueno. There was Biscoff and Milky Bar as well.
We've actually come to the jungles of Madagascar for our lunch today.
They have parmesan and truffle hash browns. How amazing. I think I might get avo and eggs with hash browns.
Good shout.
These are the lattes they do. And the smoothies. I think I might get a chai latte.
Really? I've never known you get a chai latte.
I know, maybe I should get it though. These are the other coffees. Oh, they've got like syrups as well. Look at this Milky Bar hot chocolate. I didn't order one, but they've brought two.
What do we do? It would be the saddest thing ever to say, oh, we actually only ordered one and then to take one away.
I know. I'll have it. But now I've got two. I've got 3 drinks.
Oh,
A hot chocolate, a coffee and an orange juice.
I don't mind having it as well, if you really want.
Look at those hash browns. Oh my god. How was your food?
That was delicious. I was so stuffed. I feel like I'm walking like...
It was so nice, wasn't it? We're just looking at all the animals now.
We're going to see the goats.
And the alpacas.
Do your best goat impression.
That's a sheep.
Your goats make the same noise.
like we found a little gem here.
Yeah.
We've just come to see the goats. How cute they are.
I love that it gives them like little climbing frames.
Yeah. There's one like over there.
Look at the eyes of animals like sheep and goats. They're like a long strip going horizontally. That's because when they're in the plains, it gives them a wider field of view. And you know, like cats and snakes and stuff have the slit. That gives them a very good height and depth perception. Goats and sheep and like grazing animals, it's horizontal.
Right.
Have a look at the alpaca's eyes when you see
Why
them.
is it? I don't understand why though.
So that they can see for predators a long, wide field of view. So
Yeah.
they can see predators all over the place because their natural habitat is a long, flat field.
I see.
Am I making sense?
Kind of, yeah.
Is my fun fact too scientific for you?
Hey. It is honestly boiling hot. We're just waiting to see the alpacas because the alpacas are very popular. So we're just waiting for everyone to see them. And then we're going to go see the hens. And then I think we're going to head home. Probably. It feels very much like a summer's day and I'm in a jumper. Sam's just chilling on the top of the hay bale. We are at the alpacas. Look at that one with the fluffy head. See if I can zoom in.
Different haircuts.
So they know which is which.
Well, they're all looking at something, aren't they?
Yeah, why are they all in a line?
Oh, there's people at the car boot just there. I think
They're confused. Oh, they're coming over.
they're so strange, aren't they?
They're coming over, look.
They're like goats with really long necks. They look like Cooper.
They don't look like Cooper. Look at them.
They're all girls.
Are they?
Yeah.
And there's just like one on its own there. Oh! Do you hear that?
They're looking at the dog.
Oh
Apparently,
yeah. Oh, it's, yeah, they're getting...
it looks so much
It's
cuter.
because
that
of the
one with
dog.
fluff. That
They're
fluffy
so
one looks so
cute.
cute.
Look how sweet they are.
Do you reckon I can do a box jump up onto that hay bale?
Yeah. You might need to do a run up.
Absolutely not.
Wow!
There was the slight...
A bit of doubt.
I don't know if you could see the hesitation on the video then. There was a slight one where I was like, oh no.
You did it. That is high as well. Well done. We're heading home now. It is absolutely boiling. Jumper was not the right choice for today. I'm just letting all of the heat escape the car because it's so hot.
It smells like garlic. It smells like garlic.
Oh, hash browns.
browns.
Yeah, we couldn't eat all them hash browns, so we're taking them home in a box.
Wait till you get in here.
Oh my god, it does smell like garlic hash browns.
This is very summery.
We've come to this garden centre that we've just driven past.
Very interesting. I do like a good garden centre.
We do like a garden centre.
When you're lost and no one's there, and you wonder who even cares. Oh, come back.
Oh, it's cute in here. feel like I'm in someone's house in here.
No, that's what I was just thinking.
Oh my god, does that clock not remind you of Stranger Things? It's literally ticking. That's actually creeping me out after Stranger Things. Ooh. M and S, look.
No, I didn't.
Oh. It's dark down here. Oh, they've got some nice furniture, look. It's like a maze, this place. It's really cute. Oh, look at all the lights on the ceiling.
Oh yeah, but it looks good when you turn them on.
I wonder if they do like Christmas stuff at Christmas time.
Yeah. Oh yeah, of course they do.
Hey!
Hey, whoops. Ow!
Hey!
Hey, Crinkle. Oh, hey, hello, Crinkle. Do I smell like pigs and goats and alpacas?
Good morning, everyone. It is now the next day. I am so sorry. I completely forgot to film the end of this vlog that you're currently watching. We got home, we were so tired for some reason, and I ended up going on TikTok live, and I was on there for the majority of the evening, and then I completely forgot to finish this vlog that you're watching. So I thought I would just pop on now and just say thank you so much for watching. I am filming another vlog today. I need to clean and tidy the whole house, and the motivation struggle is real, but I need to find it from somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to be filming a new vlog today, so look out for that. I'm going to also be decorating the whole house for autumn as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell icon so that you never miss an upload, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.